Welcome to another one of the local videos that I'm doing and I'm very interested in. Today, as suggested again by my best friend, you guys should follow her lead. Leave a comment down below. I'm telling you, I'm doing it. If I see a comment, I'm doing it. The next 4 videos will be about popular soda drinks or soft drinks because I wanna throw 2 non-soda drinks in. Today, I matched my makeup. We are not discussing about the lashes. I have to get better at applying them. I can fly away if I want to. No, I will live react to the evolution of the look. I will just go and look at it for the first time right now and give my honest opinion, my honest thoughts on camera. A little back history of the company. Caleb Braham. He was a pharmacist in North Carolina. He is the inventor of Pepsi Cola. Back then, in 1893, many pharmacists ran a soda fountain in their pharmacy. How exciting! He made his own soda. It said that it was a mixture of water, sugar, lemon oil, caramel, nutmeg, cola nuts and other additives. One of them was pepsin, a substance that helped with digestion. He named his concoction Brad's Drink. People were going not nuts about it, but they loved it actually so much that Caleb was looking for a more catchier name so that he can sell a franchise, and he eventually chose Pepsi Cola. By the summer of 1903 he had trademarked his new name and his soda drink was being sold in other pharmacies all over North Carolina. It wasn't always success. No. Pepsi went bankrupt during the First World War. Caleb, the inventor of the drink, speculated on sugar price fluctuation, but the price of sugar dropped and left Bradham with an inflated sugar inventory. So in 1923, Pepsi declared bankruptcy. The Loft Candy Company bought Pepsi Cola. The new owners, as the previous ones, struggled so much to revive the company. And they went as far to make a proposal to the rival Coca-Cola. And Coca-Cola was like, no thank you, I'm doing good. I'm gonna pass on that. Thankfully, Coca-Cola refused the offer because in order to save somehow the company, Pepsi reformulated and then they sold 12 ounces bottle for only 5 cents. 12 ounces was double the Coca-Cola drink. And Pepsi Cola then was known as twice the size for 1 nickel. And they leveraged that, making a catchphrase out of that, the phrase nickel nickel. One of the best advertisements in the 20th century. Just from a catchphrase, they revived Pepsi. Pepsi's worldwide popularity grew in 1974 as it became the first American brand to be made and sold in the Soviet Union. The next big move that they made was actually in 1984, they hired Michael freaking Jackson to be its spokesperson. They hired many other popular celebrities, musicians, and other well-known personalities throughout the 80s and throughout all of the other decades. In 2020, Pepsi's net worth was $11 billion, making it the 4th most valuable soft drink brand in the world. So enough about the history, enough about everything. Let's take a look at the logos. That's why we are here, people. I know, I'm sorry, it took a long time. And let me react for the first time. Oh, okay. From 1893 until 1898, it was called Brad's Drink in blue with a simple font with a bedazzled frame. Okay, for a first logo, it's very nice. It was just a drink sold in a pharmacy. You don't think of it too much. But then, no, in 1898 until 1905, of course the name changed to Pepsi Cola. It was written in a cursive red lettering. It's not beautiful, it's like a little bit too much, but they used red again. Thankfully, in 1905 until 1906, they changed it. It resembles a lot of the Coca-Cola logo at the time. The P and the C are huge and they are connected with curves and they are underlining the Pepsi Cola thing to just have the main focus be the lettering, but it was shortly lived. In 1906 until 1940 they had this logo. It is still bold, it is still connected, but they added the drink part. Now you actually know what this brand is about. You can drink this Pepsi Cola. Good add-on to the logo. This logo looked more confident. The diagonals thing that they did, as you can see, gives a sense of movement and progress. I have never thought of that. But in 1940 they were like, okay, we are bored, we need something new, something more, a bold typeface. Okay, good. But now, if you notice, the P and the C don't connect. The C just underlines everything. I like this logo because it's not noisy. It's more professional looking, in my humble opinion, of course. Did they have the hyphenate? Oh, they have the two dots. And they changed simpler, bold, to the point. That's a good lettering logo. And now we are going in 1950s, where the next generation of the Pepsi logo was introduced, which was an image of a metal bottle cap in red, white and blue. The Pepsi Cola, the same typeface, was put in the white frame so it can pop. 1962 until 1973. Why do I know this logo? As you can see, the cap is continued to be the main theme and it's becoming the visual identity of the brand. I like that they cut the cola part from their lettering, which reminds the consumer of the other company, and they just use Pepsi. I also like the typeface. It's bold and all capitals. I don't like the black. Oh, the S is different. I don't like the black, but it's getting somewhere. Let's move on to the 1973 logo. I don't know. They tried to keep the cap theme, but they removed the design that resembles a bottle cap. They used a frame. I like that they changed the colors of the Pepsi wordmark. It's more cohesive, but the blue on the frame, it doesn't belong there. I hope that the next logo doesn't have this outline, this frame. Let's see. Yes, 1987 until 1991, they removed the line. They used more bold colors. The whole typeface changed. But they still use this fucking turquoise thing. Why? It doesn't match. Please, no. 1991, please, give me something good. Okay, why? At least they removed that turquoise color. Turquoise in Greek is turquoise. But now you have a red stripe. In 1997, now we are talking. This logo I love. Or maybe it's the one that I'm most familiar with. The 3D, it is now a sphere. It's now resembling a globe, pointing on the international popularity of the brand. The colors now became more pastel. Nice. I like the word mark. They changed it. It's more elegant, I think. 2003 is this logo. Why? Okay, it's more bold, it's more playful, it's shiny. The word mark now has a slight bluish gradient. I think this logo can be used in stores where kids are playing. Oh, nice! 2006, and is it wet? Oh yeah, it has water drops. It adds the 3D element to it. It's now like you popped the lid and the drops went on the caps. I like this version of the word mark because they use two different shades of blue, making it pop. You can see that it has white outline. I like this textury thing on the cap. 2008. Many of the companies that I've covered and many that I've seen that I want to cover simplified their logos. Completely new logo, go back to 2D, but now have a tilt to them. Also the typeface changed with lowercase letters, more friendly, more approachable, more simplistic. 2014 logo. Again, they simplified the emblem. The colors became a little softer. The E resembles a white wave from the iconic emblem. Oh, they say that they changed the white because they wanted to resemble a smile. Okay, interesting story, Pepsi. Interesting story. If you want to know more about other logos that might interest you, click here. I got you, baby. Of course I got you. Tune in next Tuesday. We are talking about Coca-Cola, of course. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.